Totally.
You're Polly people.
I said yours. No, like
I'm confused.
I miss Win.
okay. Now I'm just.
Is everybody in that's playing?
Yep.
Because I've got 15 participants on Zoom, but only 11 players on Kahoot. Should be like 2 more. Should have 13. Okay. All right, we're gonna try this. Remember, on Kahoot, we're playing as a group, right? I mean, I give the question, everybody races to answer it, right? All right, here we go. Watch your screen. Simplify the following expression.
Great. It's math.
That's right, I forgot it.
How?
What's going on with my web browser? Oh, it's the app.
Boom.
Oh darn it!
Oh my god!
All right, the correct
I
answer
couldn't do
was
it because
gold.
I opened the wrong browser.
Gold was the correct answer, 2x plus 9, because those two sets of x's dwindle down to 2 x's, right? All right, let's see who's in the lead. Kylie. Nova,
Yay.
Jeremy, Michaela, Boss Jayla, and Bob. 25. Okay, here
The
we go.
builder. Oh, no. Okay.
Here goes number 2. That's easy peasy.
Oh, that is.
That's some easy stuff.
I can't use it though.
Oh, there it is.
Boom.
Hey.
13th place.
All right. So again, you combine the two constants together to get 7x plus 7.
Oh my god, I'm
Right.
so
The
mad.
leaderboard. Kylie, no, James, Kylie, Michaela, Melis, David are the top 5. Okay, here goes another one.
Simplify the following expression.
This seems.
God!
Okay, careful. Look at your integers.
Oh my god.
Careful.
I got this
God!
one.
There.
Oh no,
That took a long time to answer that.
Okay,
Nothing is working!
-9. So
Oh
look,
my god.
hey guys, the trick was the 9x plus 9. It's negative 9x plus 9, right?
It was?
Yeah.
Because it was 3x minus 12x.
It was 3x
not 12x.
minus
Yeah.
12x.
I
That's
thought it was
negative.
Dang, somebody's raging right here.
Yeah, let's don't do that. I know who it is. Let's see. James, Kylie, Bob, Jayla, and Michaela. I like how they've
Oh,
changed.
the builder.
They've made the graphics a little cooler. All right, number 4. That looks like a dominoes background.
So,
Okay, so this has to be a negative.
I hate this. My
Here, Dr. Pepper.
alright, I think this will work. I think I got it. Yay!
No.
My time is up. I didn't even answer.
Hey, negative 4x minus 15.
That's what I was
Barely
Hard.
the word.
The username is
Ow.
All right, Nella, Jayla, Bob,
2929.
Next. Remember, it's got to be accurate but fast. Accurate first. A slower right answer is better than a wrong answer.
Let me do the password. Let me do it. It's complicated.
Why did I just do that? Are you kidding me?
No.
Oh, oh, I actually got it right. Never mind. I'm okay.
All right, we got several got it wrong there, but again, you had to put those negatives together.
Half and half.
Your constant, right? The negative coefficient. Hey, Kylie, you're now in the lead. Then James, Mellis, Bob, and Kayla. All right. Kylie has the highest win streak right now. Most in a row.
So that means they're 0, 1 plus.
Okay, this one's fun. Watch it. Watch it. Remember, 0 pairs. Don't forget 0 pairs.
That's 4.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey,
0
a
paired
lot
it.
of you got it. So negative 4x plus a 5, right?
Oh my God, let me in.
Remember, if I've got a 2x, 2x, and another negative 2x, that's
They don't cancel.
4x, right?
That's 0 paired.
Let me in.
All right. Go
Let
again.
my brother in.
What? I don't know. It's random. And I know it's wrong. No, it's green.
I didn't.
What? It's red?
Hey, Nathan, tell Eli he can still join in.
I'm still confused.
Why is it like double faking us? Because like it didn't let us do it one question, now it's letting us do it this one.
All right. Somebody's got a lot of background noise.
God. There we go. How does that work? It's simplifying also to
Okay, here's the original problem. All right, so look, this 3x and this negative 3x become no x, right? Y'all agree?
Yes.
And then 5
Wait, what?
negative 4 is 1.
Yeah, but how come it didn't let us do with the question with the -2 and the +2?
Ow, my phone.
That was a -2 and a -2.
But didn't it just say like simplify it, not answer it?
Well, but in simplifying, you combine all your like terms, remember?
Okay.
God, bro.
It's like putting your
And like, if you had a pocket full of change, or who asked that question?
grammar, J-Life.
Hey, guys, if you had a pocket full of coins and you said, how much money do you have? You wouldn't say, well, I have 6 quarters and I have 3 dimes. You would put it all together and simplify. So simplify doesn't mean to answer. It just says to get it in the most concise manner that you can of something. Does that make sense?
But here's why you're thinking that, because you're doing some negative and positives, but that's what happens when you have negatives and positives. So it feels like you're solving something to do that, right? Is that what you meant by that, though? I think that's what you meant. All right. All right. Here's our leaderboard. We got Kylie, James, Bob, Mellis, and Jayla. All right. Next question.
Wait.
I need to get back. Not a genius machine.
All right. Let's look at this one again. All right. Would somebody tell me why that's the right, what the right answer there is? Hey, remember, if you're making background noise, help us out with that, please. All right. Pramita, will you tell us how that one got solved?
Sure.
Oh, okay. James had his hand up. Is that okay, Pramita?
Sure.
Okay, James.
You take away the 1x from the 7x, which makes it 6x, and the negative 4 positive 4 cancel.
And then -4 and +4 is no 4s. That's 0, right? So that's why the answer was 6x. All right. Let's see our leaderboard now. James, Kylie, Bob, Mellis, and Graham, DeBlaze. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
What is the triangle say?
Betty, the time on them is like 20
No,
seconds.
I couldn't see what the triangle said, so
Yeah, who's
I couldn't
Okay,
answer.
so
Either.
we're gonna need a couple of ground rules. No more drawing on the screen because that kept people from seeing, okay? And if like a couple of you, you're getting a lot of feedback when you're unmuted. So if you're not talking, just keep it muted, okay? Because it's pushing feedback on the microphone. All right, let's see here what we got. We got James, Kylie, Bob, Mellis, and Graham. All right, here we go again. I know why it is. It's because Eli and Mason are in the same room. That's the feedback. All right, let's look at the reason that's correct. Hey, Graham, what would you do here?
All right, so the plan here is you would group together the x and the minus 4x, which would make it minus 5x.
Yep, negative 5x.
Negative 5x, yes. And then the plus 2 and then plus 1, which would be plus 3.
Yeah, you got it. That's right. Perfect. And this is where you'll start 7th grade with this, and then they'll get a lot harder, though, with harder stuff than just at least so simple like this. Okay, Eli, you're in 5th place. Graham, Bob, Kylie, and James. All right, here we go again. Simplify this one. This is getting you ready for 7th grade.
4x. The same one.
This looks like the same question.
Was it?
Kind of. I don't know.
Hey, is that the same question?
It is the same question.
Sure is.
It's the
All
same
right,
question.
next. All right, let's see here. We got Mellis, Graham, Bob, Kylie, and Nova. Journey, go.
Eli, do it.
And let's see here what we got. Could you help me out with this one, Angelo? So what would I do with 10x and a negative x, Angelo? It would combine it to be a...
Maybe salami sandwich.
You there, Angelo?
9x.
Okay, that's right. Yep, you got it right. 9x. And then my 5 and 3 is 8. So 9x plus 8. 9x plus 8. There it is. All right. Thank you, Angelo. All right. So there's our leaderboard again. Next. I'm going to start giving live school points. I'll tell you something.
I'm confused. Is that -2 to x? I didn't get to answer that.
All right. So here's what I'm going to start doing each day. The kids who come back and play the game, I'm going to give live school points. You're like, well, we're not at school to get it. But here's the thing. I'm going to keep those points, and then you all can use them next year and come to the stores during your, what's that called? PLT time. And then Eli, you can do the same thing because you'll be a 5th grader. So each day when y'all play, I'm going to add a game thing on there for live school so you can use the points next year since you can't cash them out this year, okay? All right, so on this one, we got a negative 2x and a negative 5x becomes negative 7x, right? And then we got 1 and 4, which is 5. So negative 7x plus 5. All right. All right, there's the leaderboard. All righty, here we go again. And negative 8x plus 5. Okay. Here's our Michaela, you're in 5th now. All right. Doesn't that make you think of Domino's? Pizza? Doesn't it? All right, 7x plus 4. Would somebody tell us how that one gets to be 7x plus 4?
I can.
Thank you, Mila.
Because negative 2x plus 9x is 7x.
Perfect.
And 3 plus 1 is 4, so 7x
Perfect.
plus 4.
Yeah, Miss Nemick and Miss Holloway are going to be locking you all next year because you're going to be ready for them. That's right. Let's see here. Graham, Michaela, Bob, Kylie, and James. All right, 4 more. 5 more, actually.
Yeah.
All righty here. Betty, can you walk us through this one right here?
Yeah. So the six. So like you could do like 8 plus 7.
8x, x
Is
is.
the x. You have to group up the x's and the numbers.
So what? How many? What's your x's then when you do that?
So like the x's are like the coefficients.
So what do you
for
get?
the
Yeah, what do you get when you put them together?
15x.
Yes, and then negative 9 and positive 3 becomes negative 6. Everybody agree?
Yes.
Negative 6. Because remember, this is like saying I'm $9 in debt, and my grandma gave me $3. Well, now I'm just $6 in debt, but I'm still in debt, right? Not after all. Yeah. All right. So here is our leaderboard. All right. Okay, number 17.
Mine froze. I couldn't answer.
Oh, look, they didn't fool you this time. Y'all got it.
Good job, Eli. You got it right.
Job. Yeah. Betty, did it unfreeze?
My Kahoot froze and I couldn't answer.
Is it now unfrozen?
I don't know. Still frozen.
Okay, here we are with our leaderboard now. All right, here we go. That looks like Domino's Pizza. I'm surprised they don't get sued. That looks awfully simple.
Eli, you're cracked out of your mind.
Good job. Will you walk me through this one, Mason? So I got negative 4x and I got 5x. So what does that combine to? You there, Mason?
1x.
Yeah, x. And then negative 7 and 2 becomes negative 5. So x minus 5.
Mhm.
Yep, that's right. All right, so let's see where we are on this board now. All right, there we are. Okay, last two. Nice. Somebody belched. That's fucked up. What's wrong? You have a thing that does that. Okay, let's see here. Let me find somebody on here. Who's L? I'm trying to see who the L is. Is that Kimani? Are you there, Kimani?
Yes.
Will you show us how to get this one?
You have to, the two 9x's cancel each other out. So
They
it's just
do. Yep.
5 minus 11, which is 6.
11 minus 5, which is 6. Perfect.
Yeah.
Right. You got it. All right. And the last one. Here's our leaderboard. And here's the last one right here.
No, it froze again. Come on. Are you serious?
Hey,
Mine froze.
very good, guys. Almost all of you got that, and that was a little harder, wasn't it? Kylie, you want to tell us how to do this one?
Sure. Okay, so you combine the coefficients, which gets you to
So negative 7x,
negative x.
and that's because negative 7x plus 6x is negative x, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then 9 minus 3 is 6.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
x
your
plus,
answer.
or x plus 6.
Negative x plus 6. Perfect. And here is our final leaderboard. At the podium, we have Graham at 3rd. At 2nd, we have Kylie. And the winner is James. Oh, that's better. We jazz that up a little bit, didn't we? They're getting a little bit of competition from Gimkit. Trying to jazz it up, aren't they?
I'm the best in the world!
Okay. Hey, anybody got questions about anything you need? Okay, I've got to head over. I have a leadership meeting in a minute, so I will say arrivederci for today and see you guys tomorrow. So I'm going to be adding in live school points for playing game today. So you'll see that pop up on your live school points. And you'll get to spend those when you're in 7th grade. I've never allowed 7th graders to be able to use their leftover points, but since we had a pandemic, I think you all should get to.
Arrivederci, everyone.
Arrivederci. All right, see you guys.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Thanks for playing.